The mouth moves side to side too. It's not just up and down.
That's a classic.
That is
Weird.
cute.
We give each other gay gifts, obviously.
Yeah, but that's a funny.
How do you turn
That's
it
gotta
off?
be an expensive one, man. They may have gotten that from Neiman Marcus.
Should we snuggle with them?
You can have that for after the kitty isn't around anymore. You keep that.
I need a pic. Oh, I need a picture.
That's
of that.
really nice.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah, I took a little bit.
Let me video it. Hold on.
Does it stop ever?